Hi Revati, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What's about you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Revati, you have applied for a front-end developer role. Okay. So can you
Yes,
just brief me about yourself?
yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rati Gopal Shingde. I have completed my graduation from SRT University, Nanded. Then last year I started learning code. Last year I started to develop my sorry, can stop with so,
Okay. So you can introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rati Gopal Shingde. I have completed my graduation from SRT University, Nanded, in the stream of physics, maths, and computer science. Then last year I started. Last year I started to develop my passion towards in web development. So I started learning coding, watching online sessions, and different kind of videos to develop myself. Then in this time period, I found that my real interest in coding. So I started to learn more about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Bootstrap. That's all about me.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me the difference between website and a web application?
Website means when you search uh, when you search
Okay, fine. What is HTML?
HTML is the hypertext markup language. It is the primary language for creating web pages.
What is the differences between the previous versions of HTML and the latest HTML5?
Yes, sir. HTML does not support video audio graphics, and HTML5 support video audio graphics. And HTML5 have more semantic tags like header, footer, article, aside, a section. And HTML5 support multimedia technology, and that's all. HTML5 have a simple doc-type declaration.
Okay. And what is the difference between inline elements and the block level elements?
Yes, sir. Inline element width is always equal to its content, and block level element width is 100%. Block level element always start in new line. Inline element always start in same line. Inline element we cannot give uh, top and bottom margin, and block level element we can give margin all four sides, and block level inline element we cannot give width, and block level element we give width.
Okay. What are the examples of that?
Inline element anchor tag, and block level element span.
Time is block level element.
Sorry, sir. Span is the inline element. Block level elements uh, UL, LI.
Okay. Okay. So tell me how to use hyperlink in a HTML.
Using anchor tag.
Okay. What is mean by hyperlink then?
Uh, when we have to queue one page to another page, we queue hyperlink. anchor tag.
What is a attribute?
Attribute, it gives some meta information from HTML element to browser.
Examples?
href, src, and anchor tag.
What is the figure element in HTML5?
Figure.
Figure tag is used for?
Figure tag is used for adding image and figure caption.
But why that tag? Because we have already an image tag, no?
Yes, it is a semantic tag.
Okay. What is that means? Why we should use that?
So can you repeat your question?
Why we should use that?
Sorry.
Do you know what is canvas element in HTML?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is why they use.
Canvas element, canvas tag resolution independent. It does not support event handler, and we use canvas resultant image save as PNG and JPG. Wait. You can save image. And it is on the fly element. It is on the fly element.
Okay, fine. How we use JavaScript with HTML?
What's that?
How we link JavaScript with HTML?
Script src.
So why we use script tag for JavaScript and link tag for CSS? You can use both link, no? Why we are using script for JavaScript and link for CSS?
Because JavaScript is a scripting language.
Okay. So that's why we use script. Okay. What is CSS?
CSS is a cascading style sheet we use to style an HTML element.
What is span tag and why it is used for?
Span tag.
Yes, span.
Because it is inline element, and
Okay. So can you tell me what is the difference between div tag and section?
div tag and section. Section is semantic tag, and yes.
Okay, tell me why we use div tag.
Which tag? So
Div.
div tag.
Okay. Do you know what is the cell spacing and cell padding? Okay. What is a box model?
Every HTML element is considered as box. It have four properties: content, padding, border, and margin. Content it it takes information. It holds information, and padding space between border and content, and border it separates padding and margin space occupied by outside the border.
Okay. And what is outline? Okay, fine. So can you tell me what is float?
Yes, sir. We use float to align text left or right.
And what is the difference between text align and a float? Did you use text align?
Yes,
Text
sir.
align?
I use text align.
Yes. So what is the difference between them?
Float property use only left and right, and text align property left, right, or center.
No, this is not the correct difference.
Sorry.
Okay, fine. So how many positions are there in CSS?
5 positions are there. Position absolute, position relative, position static, position sticky, and position texture.
Okay. And what is the difference between position absolute and position relative?
We give position relative to the element with respect to we move, and position absolute give which element we want to
But which element we want to move with?
uh, with relative to position. Yes. Means we have parent view and we have child view. We give position relative to the parent, and position absolute to child.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between pseudo classes and pseudo elements?
Yes, pseudo class it defines any state of HTML element, like hover focus, uh, and pseudo element. It defines a particular state of the HTML element, like HTML tags.
Okay. Why we use embed tag?
Which tags?
Embed. Embed tag.
So I can't use.
Okay. Did you use anytime iframe tag?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Why we use pointer event property in CSS?
Pointer?
Event property, pointer event.
No, sir.
Okay. So, what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is lightweighted, object-oriented, interpreted, client-side scripting language. It is used for our web page is uh, liveness and uh, uh, interactive.
What is first class function?
First class function. It accept another parameter as an argument. Means arrow function.
No. Tell me what is hoisting.
Hoisting. It is a behavior of JavaScript or declaration top of the scope, not their value.
What is closure?
Closure a function with its lexical scope.
Not this one is a not correct full answer. Can you explain me with the example?
Closure. These are inner scope access outer scope data, and but outer scope data does not access inner scope data.
This is not this closure, no?
It is lexical scope.
Yes, but my question is the closure. Okay. What is the difference between filter and map?
Filter and
Map.
filter. We use filter for we having any condition, and map it is using same 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 functionality.
What is the difference between filter and find?
Find method search a particular part of the uh, uh, arrow string.
But filter, what it does filter?
Filters it filter array, and yes, it is a filter method using for any condition, and it return filtered array. New array.
Okay. Okay. What is promise?
Promise, it is a JavaScript object. It returns some value in future. It is used for asynchronous JavaScript operation. it improve code reusability. It handle it better. It is used for better error handling and better flow of definition, better flow of control definition. And it has it have 4 steps: pending, fulfill, settled, and
What is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy?
shadow copy means it does not alter original array. It is shadow copy. And a deep copy means
What is call, apply, and bind? Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me what is class in JavaScript?
yes, sir. Class is concept not present in JavaScript. It is only blueprint for constructor function.
Okay. What is object in JavaScript?
Object. It is a key value pair.
Okay. What is TypeScript?
TypeScript. It is a superset of JavaScript, and TypeScript is static, and it improve code reusability, and it define compile time error. And TypeScript have more features like this, TypeScript is fully object oriented. Yes, TypeScript is TypeScript is like is except means is same like object oriented programming language. It have classes, imports, and inheritance, and
What is API call?
API is application programming programming interface. It is used for communicate it is used for communicate through software for transferring information and send files and get information.
What is the difference between post and get call?
Post and get. Get is used for getting some information from browser, and post is we we send information from browser.
It means we'll not get any information from server or backend in post. We'll send only, correct?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So what is fetch?
Fetch returns promise.
Okay. Yeah. Do you know what is chunked array? Chunked array. I have sent you one question. You can copy that and share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a question. Okay, so chunk array means, do you know what is a chunk array? Means the
Yes, sir.
groups of array. Array contains the groups of array, chunks. Okay, so if given number is 2, you can see that array contains the arrays of 2 elements, correct? Yes. Okay, like that only you have to create chunk array of the that that array from the given array is there, no, fourth line. Okay, if we pass 3 to that function, it should contain three elements, 10, 20, 30, comma 40, 50, 60, like this. Okay, you can start.
Sorry, sir. I can't remember this.
Yes, Ruby?
Sir, I can't remember this.
Okay, just at least you can try it out. You can think about the logic, what logic you can write, or you want another question.
Yes, sir. Next question, sir.
question. Copy this. You have to find the largest array. So you have the answer also 999 is the largest number, correct? So you have to find out from this array. Show me the output. At least you can tell me what logic you have written.
So
What is
I want to
Mhm,
flat this array,
mhm.
and then also I use max number.
How will you flat the arrays?
Miss array flat method.
Okay. And next,
Then I find maximum number.
can you say try now?
What does it mean?
You can try it now. As you said, that is the correct way. So you can try.
So hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I remembering the logic, but I can't practical.
Okay. Do you know what is recursive function?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is palindrome?
What, sir?
What is palindrome?
No, sir.
Do you know how to remove the duplicates from the array?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can take one array which will have the duplicates.
Yes, sir.
Show me the array. So, can you explain me the logic that you have written?
Yes, sir.
No, not from the code. What logic you thought that I want to know?
Yes, sir. I create a empty array and I give condition if given array includes same array, not include same array, then it push on empty array, not include then.
Explain me in more detail.
So I create a one function and in this function I create one another function, empty function, and I apply for each, uh, and I give a condition.
Why you have given the condition?
Because I want to unique because I want unique element only, not
No, no,
same.
but what that condition will do?
Because I have a condition now.
Yes, just explain me that condition. That means unique dot includes element. No? Only what it will do that can you explain?
Uh, I can use debugger.
Yes, yes, you can.
This yes. I pass uh, this unique element on this array, and it goes on for each. So it checks uh, value.
It checks value.
It checks value when it is not unique, then it is push on this unique array. Always it not push.
Okay. Okay, fine, Revati. So we are done with your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
So thank
Okay, okay, Revati. Thank you.
you.
Okay. Yes. Bye.
Bye, sir.